Top 5. Best Surf Earplugs. A wetsuit protects your body from the water, but what about your ears? Have you ever thought about that? Number 5. Xiemen Water Sports, designed for the symmetry of the left and right ears. The hydrophobic coating keeps the water out, but not the sound, resulting in less tinnitus. One helpful feature is the small cord which is attached to the earplugs. If one earplug does slip out, then it will not sink into the water. Unique design. Breathable storage case. Medium and large options. Number 4. Surfears Creatures Unisex. The professional surfers from Sweden set out to create a long-lasting, and close-fitting earplug which does not block out the sound, and they have done just that. The enlarged sound canal means that sound will not be blocked as you surf the waves. This is sometimes essential when you are surfing with friends. Enlarged sound canal. Secure. Developed by surfers. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best surf earplugs or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Mack's AquaBlock Surf Earplugs, on Amazon, with a return rate almost 50% less than their competitors. They also have better reviews than most earplugs on the market. The triple flange design means they give a more custom fit than regular earplugs. This allows you to place the earplugs in your ears at varying depths. Silicone. Ultra soft. Triple flange design. Number 2. Tire Silicone Molded. We're out surfing, you want earplugs to keep the water out of your ears, but they also block the sound. These earplugs let in more noise than most competitors on the market. This is perfect for when you are out surfing with friends. They are also engineered to fit each ear individually. Molded for left and right ears. Storage case. Minimal hearing disruption. Number 1. Putty Buddies Floating Silicone, Nose, Throat Physician. They are completely different to anything else on the market and come recommended by doctors. These soft silicone earplugs are moldable. They almost feel like putty. This means they can custom fit any ear type. They also create a seal which will keep all water out. Soft silicone. Moldable. Floating. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best surf earplugs or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.